ఏమంటావంట. So good evening students. Now we would like to discuss about line division method. Say suppose you have a line that you want to divide it into n parts. Say for example a line of 100 would be there. That if you want to divide it into 10 parts, we normally try to take the support of a scale and we try to mark it on that. Suppose the same line was asked to divide instead 10 parts, we are asked to divide that into 7 parts or 9 parts. Then 100 by 7 or 100 by 9 will not come a uniform quantity or a quantity that can easily be marked with the support of a scale that will not come normally. So in that case, how to go about it? So in order to handle that situation, in engineering drawing, there is a provision, there is a method that have been showed for us. That has been showed in simple 6 steps. So that is what has been showed. Step 1. What we need to do is first of all, we need to draw a line AB. So we have to draw a line AB of length being given, say 100 or 200 or 50 whatever the line length that has been given, that has to be drawn first. That is actually our step 1, means a line that need to be divided, that should be drawn. So I would like to show that on screen. Maybe that line would be this. So this is that particular line AB. Then what is after that? What is that I should do? I should draw an inclined line to the line you need to divide. ఏబి అనే లైన్ ఉంది, ఆ లైన్ డివైడ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాం. అలా డివైడ్ చేయాలనుకున్న లైన్కి రెఫరెన్స్ తోటి ఇంకొక ఇంక్లైన్ లైన్. The inclination of that can be anything of your convenience. So that I am trying to draw it on blue. Say red line, whatever I have drawn, that is the inclined line. Say theta, that theta can be anything. That angle can be anything. So that when you are trying to draw, that you can draw either from A in the upward direction or from B in the upward direction, and again from A in the downward direction or from B in the downward direction. Means the starting point may be A or B, it can be drawn either in the upward direction or in the downward direction. So that is your step 2. Then step 3, take compass and set some distance for the compass. Any distance you can take, any convenient distance you can take. With that, try to cut the inclined line. See, when I am cutting this inclined line, since that has been drawn with a color 1, I am getting some spaces over there. Whereas when you try to draw arcs with the compass, you will get those arcs. So how many arcs are going to come? 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, and 5 dash. So that is what is actually your step 3 and step 4 are doing. Okay. Then what we need to do is, say call this as 5 dash and B, join them, because I want to divide it into 5 parts. My target was dividing this into 5 parts. That's why 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash has been given. Then what I need to do is join 5 dash and B with pen scale. So use scale and join 5 dash and B. Then after that, what I should do is take the set squares. With the support of set squares, try to draw lines parallel to 5 dash B, passing through 4 dash, 3 dash, 2 dash, and 1 dash. Okay, so that is what is actually your step 6. See, this is your 5 dash B line. And you need to draw parallel lines to this from 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, and 4 dash. So that such that those lines are going to cut the AB line. Say it is like this. Say now I have set this compass parallel to this, move it and try to draw a line parallel to 5 dash B passing through 4 dash, and again try to draw a parallel line to this 5 dash B passing through B dash 3 dash, and try to draw a line parallel to 5 dash B passing through 2 dash. Try to draw a line passing through 1 dash parallel to 5 dash B. That is going to cut your line AB at multiple locations. Label this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is how the line AB was cut into 5 parts. Suppose if I want to cut the same line into 7 parts, what is that I need to do? What I need to do is, I have marked 5 points only earlier on the red line. Increase that, mark 7 point. Then what you need to do is, join 7 and B. Now you need to draw parallel lines to 7 dash and B, such that the line AB is going to be divided into 7 parts. So what you need to do is, you can select your own size of a line and try to cut into 7 parts, 9 parts, 5 parts. Practice it. Once you practice 2-3 times, then you'll get control on that. You may have a query that how to draw parallel lines. There is a provision for you. You can use either drafter or you can use your set squares. See, what you can do is, when I keep this particular set square like this, keep another set square in tied to this, so that keeping this at this particular position, if I move only this, then wherever I move, I will be getting only the parallel lines. So in order to draw parallel lines on paper, you have to have both the set squares. One is this, so that one, when you keep it like this, the other set square you are going to keep it in tied to this, so that with reference to that you are going to go on moving in order to draw the parallel lines. So this is what normally we try to do with the help of set squares. Alternately, there is a provision for you to use mini drafter. So for the mini drafter, the advantage is, once you tighten the at a particular position, wherever you move, the drafter will try to draw parallel lines automatically. Okay. Maybe in the next session, I will show you how to use mini drafter. Thank you.